Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to turn off chat history in ChatGPT. First, open your browser and then go to chat.openai.com. Then click on New Chat on the top left. Now, type in whatever you want ChatGPT to generate. Here, I'm typing in essay on health. After that, as always, ChatGPT will start generating it right away. After it's done, you can see the history on the left. Now, to remove it, click on the three dots on your profile on the bottom left. From here, click on Settings. Now, choose Show on Data Controls. After that, disable Chat History and Training. Now, if you cancel it, you can see that chat history is off. Now, you can choose to clear your chat. And to enable it once again, just click on Enable Chat History. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.